In front of me is CAT S42, and let me show you how to clear browsing history on this device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, and in my case there is Google Chrome. Then tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in right upper corner, and select history. Go to clear browsing data, and now you will find basic and advanced options. Under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. Then you can pick the time range right here. So select if you would like to remove history from past hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And as I would like to clear it fully, I will pick the last option and then click on clear data right here. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer data in your browsing history, and you can smoothly create it from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.